Picture Post 5 is located near Stormwater Element 37A, which is a bioswale with a paver forebay. The post is located near the Museum of Natural History in Roger Williams Park on F.C. Green Memorial Boulevard. Stormwater enters the bioswale through an inlet structure which diverts flow off of the street and into the concrete sediment forebay. The forebay fills with stormwater as it pools and backs up behind a weir structure. This weir structure slows down the velocity of the flowing water, which allows sediment particles to drop out and deposit on the floor of the forebay. Once the ponded water in the forebay fills up high enough to overtop the weir, the stormwater flows into the bioswale basin. The soils in the bioswale basin have been modified to allow for water to easily percolate down into the groundwater. The soil in the bioswale was then planted with native grasses and 2 bald cypress trees. As water flows through the bioswale, some will soak into the ground, which will naturally filter and clean contaminants from the stormwater, and the rest of the water will flow downhill through the bioswale. During heavy rainstorms, if the bioswale basin completely fills up, the outlet structure will be overtopped and flow will exit the system rather than overtop the banks of the bioswale. The overflow stormwater will then flow into the gutter to a storm drain located downstream of the bioswale. With this picture post, we will be documenting and tracking environmental changes to the bioswale.